welcome to my channel. Myself Neha. So today I will do my makeup using Sugar Cosmetic. Now I will first use this alcoholic priming moisturizer. See, this is really very nice moisturizer plus primer. I will use this much quantity. It is cruelty free and vegan, so without using sulfate, paraben and silicone. So I am dabbing it on my face. And now I will use my fingertips to merge it. It is a primer plus moisturizer. See, now done. Now I will use this Ace of foundation stick. So I am NC30. I will use 25 Machicho shade in its Ace of foundation stick. See, it is written here 25 Machito. So from here, this is the shade, color of the shade. So I will swatch it here and you can see it. This is the shade of the color. Okay, now on the back side of it, it is inbuilt brush. See this brush. So on one side of the face I will use this brush, and on the other side I will use this beauty blender. So now see, I am using it. Use it only less quantity because it will give you full coverage. Now I will use one side this brush. This brush is good. It is travel friendly. You can use it while traveling. It blends very nicely. See, and on the other side I will use this blue. Now done. And on the other side I will use this beauty blender. Now yes, it blends very nicely. This beauty blender is nice. Yes, it merges very nice. Now you can see the difference. This side gives you more finishing than this. So I am finishing it with the beauty blender on this side also. You can use this brush while traveling. Now I am using this compact. This is a SPF 15. It is having SPF 15 mattifying compact. This is 15 Copicino shade. Now this is a puff inside it, and this is a mirror, small mirror in this compact. So I am using it. Now I am using this concealer 15 Topicino Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. This is a very good concealer. It can be used while hiding your dark circles. This is a cardboard packaging, and this is in plastic bottle. This hides the dark circles and pigmentation. So I am using small quantity on the upper side of the eyes and lower side in this pigmented area. Smile. Now again I am using this beauty blender. This is called a magic wand because it hides your dark circle magically. One minute. Now this is the shade of the lipstick. I am using this Metal Matte Satin lipstick. This is a cardboard packaging, and it comes like this. So I open it like this, and it is a cardboard package, and this is a metal body of this lipstick. See, this is shade number 01 Sophie. So this is a shade. I'm swatching it here. See, this is its shade. And this is its shade. This is a waterproof lipstick. It is a transfer proof. See, it doesn't come off. And now I am using this 05 Black Magic Heavy Duty Kohl Kajal. Now I am using this mascara. This is 01 Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. See, it is having this cardboard packaging, and this is its plastic body. Now I am using this gloss. This Arc Arrival Brow Destiny. This is 02 Top Shom. See, this Arc Arrival. I am using this brow. I'm curling this. And I'm curling this with the curler. Now I'm using this mini blush. This is Pink Pinnacle. This is it is packaging is in cardboard shape. So this is a shade of this Pink Pinnacle. So see its color. It's so pigmented. This pink shade, and this is Champion Champagne. This is a mini highlighter, Champion Champagne. See its color. And I'm putting it here and here and on the nose tip, on the chin and on the center. So it is so pigmented. You can see the shade. It is this, and this blush shade is, see this. This is its shades. See its shade. Now I'm using this mini bronzer. I'm contouring my face using the bronzer. This is Woody Wood 02 Woody Wonder. And with the help of this, I will do eyeshadow with this Pink Pinnacle. I will do my eyeshadow. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe. Thank you. Now I will use this Gloss Pose 25 eyeliner 01 back in black. So this is its packaging. It's come in a cardboard package, and this, it looked like this, and its gel life is 3 years. It is made in Germany. So this, it is very pigmented and waterproof. Very easy to apply. Now see, finally I will give this Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. This is a dewy setting mist. It will set off my waterproof makeup for 8 to 9 hours. It is luminous dewy setting mist. So see. No, bye.